This inquisitiveness is very good. My Guru Maharaj accepted me as his disciple because he saw in the beginning I was very inquisitive to hear him. So, in the beginning, when many gentlemen, I was one of them, was introduced to my Guru Maharaj, they had to be initiated. They want to be initiated to become your disciple. So, when my turn came, he immediately said, yes, I will accept this boy as disciple because he is very inquisitive to hear. That was my recommendation. And actually, I was very inquisitive. I could not follow what Guru Maharaj was speaking, but still I was asking others when Guru Maharaj will speak. I could not follow. He was speaking in a very high philosophical tone. So at that time I had no capacity to understand. Still I wanted to hear it. I understand and not understand. So this is very good qualification. So those who are coming here to listen about God, they are very fortunate. Krishna will help them. Savanam, the beginning of Bhakti Yoga, started from the practice of Sravanam, oral reception, ear. Therefore, the mantra is given through the ear, initiation mantra. Then Kirtanam. Savanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, Dasam, Sakham, Atmanivedam. There are 9 different processes. The most important process is hearing. And as soon as you want to hear, that means you have to concentrate your mind. So, naturally, the mind becomes locked. But if we sleep, that is another thing. Let the lectures go on, let me have some rest. That is another thing. But if you hear, if you are anxious to hear, then mind has to be engaged. Without attention you cannot hear. If your mind is something to it, you are thinking of marketing something or sometimes business, so you can hear, make a show of hearing, but you are not hearing. That mind is the first thing. Savai mana Krishna padaravinda vachansi vaikuntha gunanuvandana. If you engage your mind in hearing, then you can describe the things in the Vaikuntha, in the spiritual world. Vachansi Vaikuntha Gunana. So we have to practice. This is Bhakti Yoga. First of all, we have to engage the mind. And as soon as you engage the mind in hearing about Krishna, Krishna will help you in cleansing your mind. That is the opinion given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chetadatmana marjana. Because everything we cannot understand about God, or we cannot see God, or we do not know what is God, because there are so many dirty things on the mind. Otherwise, as soon as the mind is clear, devoid of all dirty things, you can see, you can understand what is God. You can see God every moment. Premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena santa sadaiva hridayeshu vilo. So, there is no difficulty. God is here, Krishna. But one's mind is not clear, he cannot see God. He sees a statue of stone. He sees a statue of stone. And one's mind is clear, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as soon as he sees Jagannath, immediately fainted. Here is Krishna. Actually, that is the fact. Here is Krishna. Krishna is omnipresent. That is God's one qualification, omnipresent. He is present everywhere. So, why not present in the temple? He is present here. But we have no eyes to see, because our mind is not clean. So we cannot use the senses to see God. That is different. Therefore, Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilachana. By the bhakti process, by devotional service, it cleans your mind, it cleans your senses. As soon as your mind is cleansed, then senses are also cleansed. And that is helped by Krishna himself, as he says in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sinnatang Sakatha. As soon as Krishna sees that you are eager to hear about him, Sinnatang Sakatha, Krishna, Purna Savana Kirtan. By the fast hearing, you may not understand about Krishna, but if you simply hear with little attention, although you do not understand, still you will be pious. Because the dirty things means covered with impious activities. So if you hear about Krishna, then gradually you will become pious. Simply by hearing. Simple, just like if there is injection, anti some disease, vaccine, you understand or not understand, it will act. Suppose if you take poison, if you do not understand what is poison, it will act. Similarly, Krishna Katha is so powerful that if you simply hear, even if you do not understand, that you will become pious. And by becoming pious, because without becoming pious, nobody can understand Krishna. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Jesham antagatam papam, jananam punna karmanam, those who are 24 hours engaged in pious activities. Therefore we engage our students in this Bhakti Yoga practice, 24 hours routine work, because it is pious activities. So he will be purified. He will be purified. We have got so many times offering arati, offering prasadam, cleansing the temple, dressing the deity, talking about him. 24 hours must be. Kirtaniya sadahari. Kirtaniya or sevaniya sadahari. 24 hours. In this way, we become purified. Chetadatmanamarjanam bhagavan. As soon as your mind is cleansed of all dirty things, then you become fit for going back to home, back to Godhead. So any yoga practice, but other yoga practice, hatha yoga practice, dhyana yoga practice, karma yoga practice, jnana yoga practice, these are very difficult in this age. But if you take to bhakti yoga practice, it is recommended, Samanam Kirtanam, Kalautat Hari Kirtanat, in this age, Kali Yuga, this Hari Kirtan is Bhakti Yoga. Krite jat dhyato Vishnu tritayanga jajato makhai, in different ages, because the people are different. So different methods are prescribed in the Shastra. In the Sattva Yuga, the meditation method was possible. In other yuga, it is not possible. In Treta Yuga, by sacrificing big yajna, performing yajna. In Dwapar Yuga, by temple worship. And Kalautad Hari Kirtana, and in this Kali Yuga, simply by Hari Kirtan, by chanting the holy name of the Lord, you can get the same result. Therefore, our process is Kirtan, always Kirtanya sadhana. So, by Bhakti Yoga practice, you become perfect in all yogic processes, and ultimately you realize God very easily and directly, and that will help you to go back to home, back to God. That is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Janma karmam vidibbam jujanati tattaka takta deham punarjanma naiti mamiti kam. Anyone who understands Krishna in truth, janma karmam vidibbam jujanati tattaka. Tattaka means in truth, not superficial. If you understand Krishna in truth as he is, and he is speaking himself about himself, There is no difficulty. If you simply accept Krishna, what he says, if you follow, then you become perfect and you become fit for going back to home, back to God. Thank you very much.